Well, here we are, somewhere in western Colorado. This is my first time to go elk hunting, and I'm lucky enough to be with my friend Greg, who's taken us to a spot he's been working on the last 4 years. After 20 miles of dirt roads, we finally get to camp. Didn't take us long to set up, gather firewood, and settle in. It's 7:30. We got everything set up. Just can't look at shit. But it's amazing if we could see it. All right, so we've been here about an hour now. You can see that fog. It hadn't broken. We really can't see much. So we went hunting earlier. We had to wait for about 3 hours before that fog lifted, and we got to glass for a little bit. Didn't see anything other than tracks, but now we made it back here to the tent, and it's raining. All right, so we're weathering this rainstorm out. It's been a few minutes. Greg's saying it'll probably go another 30 minutes or an hour, and then we're gonna hike over to that little cliff. Now the only deal here is I'm starting to get standing water. It could be an issue. All right, so that rainstorm passed in like 45 minutes. We got 2.5 hours of legal light, right? Yep. I think 2.5. Yep. So we're gonna go about a mile back to that cliff and just see what we see.
Kill a bull.
Kill a bull. Are covered. You can't even see them anymore. Well, it seems like there's elk. At least they've been in the area, right? It's pretty old, but good sign. All right, morning of day 2, 6 o'clock. We're gonna get coffee and then hike out to that edge and watch all the elk. All right, we are just getting to our glassing point. Fog hadn't lifted yet. We're gonna be quiet and see what we see. All right, just getting set up here. And once that fog lifts with the sun, hopefully we'll see some cool stuff. Got a mule deer over there. All right, so it's still morning of day 2 out here on this hunt. I had to come back to camp and take care of a couple different things and shoot off a message real quick after we glassed this morning. Greg's still out there looking. We saw 3 deer, which are awesome. A muley buck, little 3x3 that was a nice looking buck. No elk. So anyway, I'm about to head back. I'm heading back here to where Greg is. That little glass and tip we like to sit on. You can just see all the juniper and sage and after staring at that same valley for 2 days, we decided to mix it up a bit. We jumped in the truck to look around and see if there was maybe a better spot. Turns out our nearest neighbors are about 4 miles away. These guys, they're regular outfitters, hot tents and horses. All right, we are trying a new approach. Just had a little bit of lunch. It's lunchtime. I think we're going to try to bushwhack our way through here up to the rim and look down in from the other side. You can see those cliffs way over where we've been glassing this morning. Yeah. This is beautiful, dude. Quick. All right, so we've been here for 2 full days. We saw 4 mule deer today, no live elk or dead either, but we're getting our game plan together. What's cool is it's a clear night. We haven't had that yet. And what's even cooler is there's a full moon out here, which it's October, so that's actually called the hunter's moon. And that's going to go all night, and it's going to set right when we're hiking out to our point in the morning.
About 6 o'clock, I think, is when it goes down, right?
Exactly. It's going to be perfect. All right. Morning of day 4. You can see how cold everything is and frozen. We're going to get out there before sunup and see what we can see. All right, so it's about 8:30. We're packing up. No movement. That full moon last night was real bright and probably kind of screwed us. However, we're going to get out of here and give it a go next time.